From this account on Warrior Plus, we made $18,389 in last 3 months. How much total I made doesn't matter. What's important is I want to show you how we made money. In order to make money, the only thing we do is get customers to our products or offers. Some of these customers purchase from us. Here, only 3% of the viewers or visitors who visited our website purchased from us, and we made this money. So it's basically 97% people did not buy from us. That's okay, because 3% did, and that is enough. Now, if you are one of those busy folks who have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business, or you're just a busy parent, then you probably don't know how to get visitors and turn them into customers and eventually make money. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help, because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. That's a long story. But the good news is, if you are interested, then we have a 99% done for you solution for people like you. Check the link in the description or in the bio or in the first comment and watch this training, how to earn $500 commissions using our 99% done for you system. Make sure you watch the full video, and if you have questions, ask our AI chat agent. It will answer just like me. If you want to speak to me directly one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or on Facebook Messenger. I will answer all your questions. So if you're completely new and you don't know about it, no worries. There is a 99% done for you solution for that. You always have the opportunity to take advantage of this program. Now the question is, how do we get visitors and how do we get customers? First of all, how do we get visitors? We make content like this video. We make short form content, long form content every single day and publish on social media. Social media sites like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube send us viewers to our videos or content. Those viewers turn into buyers. Now again, if you are new to my channel, I have explained this multiple times in multiple videos. All you have to do is go to my channel and search with the word rant. Here we go, rant. And you'll find these videos. These 3 videos are enough to explain you everything about how we make easy content using rant formula. So what is a rant formula or rant framework? Reaction videos. We do not create videos from scratch. We use other people's content legally and ethically and make reaction videos. And you want to know what kind of results we get from these reaction videos without creating original content. This one video got us over 24,000 followers. You can see it right here. 24,000 followers from one video when we uploaded for the first time. Then we uploaded the same video many times, and every time it added 5,000 to 6,000 to way over 10,000 followers. So on this account, we have 196,000 followers. Most of these followers came from a handful of videos like this one. Same thing happened to our TikTok accounts. This account has 300,000 followers, and majority of the followers came from a handful of reaction videos. Okay, reaction videos are easy to make, but it takes a little bit of work and a little bit of time. And I have been planning to create a software that would do the job very easily without spending a lot of time. Unfortunately, I was so busy that I could not end up making a software, but my friend Joshua Zamora made a software. And this is how the website of this software looks like. I will drop a link in the description. Its name is Valet. This software helps you create viral reaction videos without technical hassle, without even thinking what you need to do. And if you purchase from my link in the description below, then you will get a special bonus. We will give you a prompt, an AI prompt that we use to plan and build our viral videos, build trust and authority. And that's why, despite knowing that our videos are reaction videos, not our original videos, people follow us on social media and buy from us. So how does this software work? I received a review access from the creator, so I'm going to show you how it works. This is how the dashboard looks like. When you create videos, you will see these numbers will change. This is a brand new account, so now all the numbers are 0. If you click the tutorial section, you will see 1, 2, and 3 videos in total. That's it. If you click custom videos, then you will be able to make custom videos. But if you want to use their viral video library, then this could be a shortcut. You can scroll, or you can use their search option to search for a specific type of content. You can also choose from the view count. Like this video got 60 million views. Subhanallah. This video got 25 million views. Let's try this guy. If you click here, the video will be visible here. You can see the number of views, when it was posted, and then you can click this use in custom video and make this video as the first video or second video. Let's choose it as the first video. You can choose multiple types of video. You can create side-by-side reaction, or your reaction can be on top, any of the corners, or it can be a stitch video. Do you know stitch video? Stitch video is when you play a video and at the end you add your reaction. So let's select reaction, picture in picture, and I want to put my reaction on, let's say, top left, and the reaction starts from the beginning of the video, so I will leave it 0. And I want the second video, that means the reaction video, to be 25% of the original video. Let's keep it as 23%. Audio track, I want to keep both. I don't want to use text for this one. And this second video will be my video. So first, I want to watch the video and record my reaction. This is where I will record my reaction. Let's go, start.
He's very tired. He's already done multiple FIFA matches. Yeah, it's like it's out there right now. So he's good.
What do you think? The big guy should win. He's big. Look at the muscle. Wow. He's already winning, right? Man, this is unfair. I mean, look at this tiny guy. He's never gonna win. Okay, now, I think now is the time when the real hero is coming to the scene. The real hero is revealing. Man, this is crazy. Okay, right. So let's consider this guy. The big guy's, oh, wow. Wow, did you see that? Wow. Subhanallah. All right, my reaction is ready. Now I'm going to click upload, click choose file, and select the reaction video file here. And automatically the application is showing processing the data. Now I can create. Guys, I have no idea how it will look like. This is the first time I'm trying. It can be good, it can be bad, whatever it is. Now the video is rendering. Oh, there is a background removal process as well for the reaction video. I mean, the reaction one. We might have to wait a couple of minutes. While the video is being rendered, these are not really the type of videos I personally react on, because this type of videos don't build authority. It's just a fun video. People will not follow me and will not buy from me for showing this kind of video. So here's what I do. Let's say I got a short video on YouTube. I go to the description and take the transcript. Then I either go to Claude or ChatGPT. Everything works. I just used my prompt and AI asks for 3 things. Number 1 is the transcript. I copy the transcript and I put it here. And I write the other 2 answers and hit enter. Now AI writes a complete plan for me on how to go about reacting on this video. And this type of video will build trust and authority. My viewers will know me as someone who knows his stuff. They know me as a knowledgeable person. They learn from my reaction videos and then they start following me. So this secret prompt has been the secret sauce of all our successful videos and tons of high ticket sales that we get every single day. Viral Valet software will help you make reaction videos, and if you buy from my link in the description below, then as a bonus you'll get my prompt. That prompt will help you build authority videos that will go viral, build authority and trust, and that's how you will make money, inshallah. For making money, you don't need to worry much about the product or how it's gonna happen. You can start with affiliate marketing. Just get your affiliate link, put in the description, and put that landing page in your bio. Like in my case, I put one link in this bio. This account has 7,000 followers and another Instagram account has 196,000 followers. And we have many accounts. All these accounts get reaction videos. This prompt gave me what type of reaction can I use? Will it match my goal of building trust and authority, whatever I said, as the answer to one of the 3 questions. So for this video, there can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 type of reactions. I will follow the first 2 because these 2 will match our goals, 5 out of 5. For beginners, you can choose the one that is the easiest for you. Then you gradually practice more and make more. Now imagine from one video, if I make 3 different reaction videos and at least one of them goes viral, that's pretty much game over. Okay, our video is ready and let's see how it looks like. You can see me on the top left corner reacting on the video.
It's very fast. He's already done matches.
I think the big guy will go. Okay, I think there is one issue here is my settings. Both the videos have sound and there is no way to control the volume of the main video. So if you want to make one video silent, then you just have to select which audio track you want to keep. In my case, I kept both and that's why there is a very loud music and you can't hear what I was saying. I just kept the audio track of the second video, which was my video. There are other features like viral hashtags. Hashtags are not widely used these days, but still they have some value. Especially people are using it and you can use the viral hashtag to find videos. That's more important. So whether you use the hashtags in your videos or not, you can always find great videos from hashtags. You can track accounts from this section and these are the tracked videos. You can explore influencers. They have a huge library that instead of looking on the social media, you can just choose from here. I did not analyze any account yet. Why not? Let's analyze an account. Why not? Let's analyze Dude Perfect. Oh, it should be Instagram or TikTok. I'm going to choose Real Brian Mark, click Analyze, and the application is working on it. Wow, it was done. Okay, we got initial information in just a couple of seconds, like how many subscribers, how many total videos. All right, guys, so there are 2 options. One, you can get the bundle. Watch this webinar here. It's a 1 hour, 48 minutes long webinar where Joshua showed the whole software, how it works, how you can take advantage of it. And you will get all these benefits in one go without spending more. So it's $297. They have limited spots. If you want unlimited, then click here, go at the bottom and check these boxes. This way you can get additional benefits. If you just want the main software without the unlimited or without all these benefits, then you can get from the special page, and the price currently is $42 for 10 videos and $44 for 25 videos, and the price is rising. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you want my bonus, then make sure you see this little Mosh Bari and the number 2183 right here. The bonus will be automatically delivered on the delivery page. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you hate this video, hit the share button and share with your friends, family, social media contact. Because even if you hated it, there are lots of information that I know will be helpful for your friends and family. So they will love you for sharing. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, please, because we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, just 5,000 by the end of this month. And we can't do it without your help. And in return, I promise you, we'll shoot videos every single day, inshallah. To learn more legit money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.